The term culture has several meanings. When we talk about culture here at Laura Baker, we mean the attitudes and behaviors that characterize how an organization operates. Our value statement guides our attitudes and behaviors. It provides the basis for our culture, which we call a culture of dignity and respect. A culture based on dignity and respect helps build the self-esteem of its members. It helps affirm their value as human beings. As staff members and volunteers, this culture helps maintain for us a positive, productive, and safe workplace that allows us to function at our highest capacity in providing service to our clients. This in turn aids us in fulfilling our mission, which is to respect the life choices and dreams of people with developmental disabilities and help them reach their goals. Our culture also requires the maintenance of an alcohol and drug abuse-free environment at Laura Baker. This includes the workplace environment, which you share with your coworkers and volunteers, and the environment in which our clients live and function. That's because if you are under the influence of alcohol or illegal drugs or abuse prescription medications while on the job, you can endanger our clients, your coworkers, and yourself. This runs counter to our culture of dignity and respect and, in some cases, may also violate the law. Please remember that your service as a staff member or volunteer here at Laura Baker involves the support of people who have developmental disabilities. This requires you to be able to make decisions and carry out responsibilities that affect their health, well-being, and safety. Accordingly, as a staff member or volunteer, you must be mentally alert at all times. You must report to and be at work in a fit mental and emotional condition to perform your job duties. Now, Laura Baker has a very clear alcohol and drug abuse policy. We will discuss it in detail in the next module in this e-learning course. Please remember this. Yes, our alcohol and drug abuse policy and its enforcement are extremely important from a safety and legal standpoint. We also trust you will understand that your compliance with it is more than just following the rules. Compliance with our drug and alcohol policy is also a reflection of how you buy into and value our culture. It's how you decide to act and behave within it. It's how much you are willing to take responsibility to maintain and strengthen it. It's how you put into action on an everyday basis the 12 values that make up our value statement. Now, before we get into the details of our drug and alcohol policy, let's take a little quiz, just to review your understanding of what we have been talking about in this module. The quiz contains 5 questions. 4 of the 5 questions must be answered correctly in order to pass the quiz. When you are ready to proceed, click on the Continue to Quiz button.